Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Everyday Diesel. It is getting to be about that time. Next weekend is the last race of the season, and I'm in that mood where I am super excited for the last race. Cannot wait to go racing. But by the same token, I am starting to get bummed out that it's the last race of the year, which means that we're almost done. And old man winter's coming, and that's no fun. So I find myself with these weekends where I don't have a whole lot going on, spending time with friends and family, but not really doing a whole lot. Come outside and I just look for things to do. Nothing in particular, nothing specific. So this video, I'm just gonna, there's no goal in sight with this, just doing some tinkering. So let me show you what I've done here for the past hour, just kind of tinkering, and some things that I actually need to fix. First thing is I got the grinder out and I did a little bit more trimming. Ever since I cut the bed out of this thing, it's been just pretty rough, and you know, wasn't done like super cleanly. I mean, it got the job done, period, and that's really all it needs to do. I've been doing a little bit more trimming on some metal up under here. I don't know if you've ever, the way that they form the metal up underneath a bedside is kind of a pain in the butt but there's honestly a lot of metal there to cut out, so I've done that. Over here, I went ahead and cut off this bed mount. Still got a lot more of it to cut off. Got the one over there that I need to cut off. Pretty much anything and everything just to save. I mean, every ounce counts pretty much in this game. So came over here, removed the grab bar and the plastic and the speaker. I'm really torn on pulling this carpet out of here. It's dirty as hell. I need to vacuum it, but it's a pretty clean carpet that I don't necessarily want to tear up, but the list is endless on things to improve upon. One thing is this fuel cell. I got to do a little bit of work to it. I'm actually waiting on Summit. Ordered some fittings, some caps and plugs for some of these fuel lines because I need to remove this fuel cell. You can see right there, there's a crack. Over here you can see that bracket is completely broke off on the welds on both sides. Right on this side and on that side. It's still very sturdy. It's not really going anywhere, but it does vibrate and move around. So I don't want it to rub a hole in the tank. I'm not going to chance it for this last race. Draining the fuel, taking the cell out, taking it to somebody who can weld aluminum very well. And I'm going to have them, I don't know if we're just going to fix these or if I'm going to have them kind of gusset this. Something like that. I'm not sure yet. Gonna see what they say about it. This is a cheap fuel cell. I'm pretty sure that fuel cell is like a purchase that I made on Amazon like 6 or 7 years ago, and it was when I had a two-wheel drive 12-valve truck that I thought that was going to be a race truck. Ta-da! Weight reduction. Don't forget your safety sprints when doing stuff like this. We need that where we're going. Those pieces of metal there that you've seen me cutting off and drilling out, basically just remnants from when I did the initial diet plan on this truck. These pieces here were part of the big metal plate that was right here where your spare tire. And the other piece over here by this shock was remnants of a exhaust hanger. And then of course the two ears up front on the frame were bed mounts that are no longer necessary. Honestly, up until cutting those bed mounts off, because those bed mounts are welded on, you know, pretty much fully committed this chassis to never being a regular pickup truck ever again. I mean, you know, I guess you could re-weld on some bed mounts fairly easily, but yeah, just finally, I've been meaning to do this all season long because I mean, you know, so I'm glad to have all that done, clean up the frame rails even more. Next, I think what I need to do is I next day aired some fittings from Summit to be able to cap off the ports on this tank and plug the feed line and the return line so they could sit here for a couple days while I'm getting the tank welded on. They didn't show up. They're going to show up Monday. So after work, Monday is when I'm going to be able to take apart this fuel cell and get it sent out to a guy that can weld it for me. But in the meantime, I think I can drain this fuel. So yeah, putting on gloves. I don't want to smell like diesel fuel for the rest of the night. Oh man. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for some fittings to come in and get this fuel cell out of here and go get it welded. Okay, got the fuel cell back from a friend of mine, Tony from HammerTech Racecars. Got rid of the old chintzy, crappy mounts. Replaced all four with some super nice gusseted mounts. Really nice to have, even on something as simple as a fuel cell, some real good fabricating skills worked on that. So that's awesome. So now I just need to get it on here. Weather's not really cooperating. It's raining on me right now, sprinkling. But it's Tuesday. We're supposed to get more rain Wednesday. Thursday, I need to be able to load up and ideally leave and go to the track. So, got to get this stuff done. Okay, got the tank all mounted up. The new mounts look awesome. Turn lines attached, vent attached, feed line attached. Finally got rid of that blue cap. Got a black one on there, so that looks a lot better. Getting ready to dump some fuel in it. Okay, about to put the fuel in. Only the best from Hot Shot Secret. This is their brand new Adrenaline R82 Plus, specifically for competition diesel applications. 1 quart of this bottle right here treats 4 gallons. I got exactly 4 gallons in here. Obviously it takes a lot to do this, but it's supposed to be a pretty good stuff. Raises cetane by 34 points. I don't know what that means. Sounds awesome. We're gonna try it out. A lot of the pros in the industry swear by this stuff. I've been using it all season. Not this, their other stuff. And yeah. All it in there. This stuff's not cheap. For good reason though. I think they got a lot of time and energy into developing this stuff. Mix. Start this thing out. There's a good chance the battery's dead. So we'll see. Oh, hell yeah. Airdog's running. Return is dumping. Alright, well that's a wrap on this video, guys. Got some more tinkering done on the truck. Got the fuel cell fixed, replaced, truck's running, ready to go. I gotta swap the Hoosiers on and load up, and we're out of here. Going back to Wagler Motorsports Park for the last race of the season. I am 4th in points in ET class, 7th, 8th, 9th in 770. So I'm gonna try really hard to do good in ET, well, both classes, because it would be awesome to take home a podium overall finish in ET class. I'm right behind third place and honestly right behind second place. Almost forgot to make an outro on this one. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. The next video after this one should be some footage from the last event of the year, Wagler Fall Nationals. Make sure you come back and watch that one.